Hello viewers, how are you? I am S. M. Aslamuddin Ahmed, lecturer of English. Although I am discussing about the log, so the mathematical term is log. How do you understand? Let's go. So we can see this is the log, this is the math. We have to know that the log, that is log root 3, but here is 81. So you have to divide it mathematical term. For example, this is the odd number for this reason. We can use the divided by 3, 2, and next one is 7. You know about it because 3 divided by 81 and then 2 6 and next minus 2 and next 1 and then 3 7 21. So we can understand it. Okay, so here the result, and next again we have to divide it 3, that is 3 into 9, it is 27, and next one is 3 divided then 3. So actually what, but the base is 3, so we have to do what, we have to take, that is root 3 into root 3. Okay, so this is called what. Next we know that 3 divided the root, we know root equal to 1 by 2, the result is root, it is 1 by 2. So here into 3 1 by 2, and next one 3 is common, next 1 by 2, if there is a into we have to do. So the rules is log a into log a, the result is here, or you can write down here log plus log so here is also what, so this power is half, this power is half, so we can number add. Next one 3 to the power what, so we take the common 2, and next 1 plus 1, next one 3 to the power 2 divided by 2, 2 has done, and next 3 to the power 1, so that is 3. So here is the rules, and if we can get it, that is 3 for 2, so 3 equal to what, root 3 into root 3, that is 2 number of the root 3. So if we get it 3 for 2 root 3, so 1 2 3 4, so 4 3, we can get it that root 3 how many, that is 4 into 2, that is 8. So 3 for root 2 root 3 and root 3, so 1 3 for 2 root 3. So next one is 3 into 3 for, we can write down 3 into root 3 root 3 into root 3 into root 3, so 1 2 3 4, and next one is 3 into 3 into 3, so again 2 is add, and next one is 4, so we can get 8 root 3. I hope you can understand that 8, that is root 3, and the power is 8, because how many root 3s, 8 root 3s. Okay, so here is the formula, and then this is the formula. If you see that there is the 2 here, so we can write down here the first one, so a, that is the 2 is here, and log is, and then what happened, so if there is the first, and it will go to the power of this a, and next one, so here you can understand, I hope. so 8, it will come the first, and next one is log, next one is root 3, and the power is root 3. So if the same power, the result is 1, so 8 into 1. Why? Because log a to the power a equal to 1. Okay, so this is the law, so the law is here. Okay, this is not the law, the law. So this is one kind of formula, this is the system. So I hope you can understand this math, and here is the answer is only 8. Okay, so if the number is the big one, what we'll do log 0.01 and the power is 0.1 2 3 4 5 and 1. So what is the result here? So first one is that you have to break down this one, so log 0.01 is same, but this part what will happen, 0.0 1 2 3 4 5, and next one is what, So this part is the common, you have to make it this the same power. Okay, so for example we can make it that how many 1 2 1 2 3 and next one is what? Okay, so if we take that this one, so first one is that you have to take couple, 1 couple, 2 couple, 3 couple, and the math should be this one. Okay, so we'll take one is this one, so this part is takes this one. So if we divide it, if we divided this number for 0.01, so first one is cut down this, so here is 0 0 0 0 0 and next one is 1. Okay, next one is again 0 point and divided, next one is what? Point. So this 2 has gone, next one 1 2 3, so 1 2 3, because this first 2 has gone, next one is 2, next one is this one. Again if you give the divided by 1, then 2 has gone, next one is 0.01. so how many 0.01? we can find out that 1 2 3 4, so we can say that 0.1 and here the power is 4 according to this result. Okay, so here we can write down that 0.01, next one the power is same, so this here is also 0, here is also 0, here is also 0, here is also 0, the same, no problem. Actually 0.01 equal to 0.01, these are the same. So here what happened, so this one, so this power will come at the first and log 0.01 and the power is also 0.01, this power is same, so we can say that 2 into 1, so the result is 2. So I hope it is very easy for you to understand this math. Thank you.